see if I can open this guy up one-handed. Let's play a game of what's in the box. Let's see. Try not to cut myself open here. Ooh, 2 layers. Ooh. You gotta see something in there. Making a huge mess. Oh! Don't know what the heck that is. Or that. Let's see. Charger. Another charger. One more chargers. Little body cap. Let's see what's going on in here. Nice little. A little smarter than me, eh? Oh, my little adapter guy. To the meat and potatoes here. It's funny, I said meat and potatoes. I don't even eat meat. All right, another charger, strap. We got 2 Nikon batteries. Looks like So what was that? 2 Nikon batteries. Ooh, got a nice little 120 gig XQD card. We got 2 Nikon batteries. What's that? 3 third-party batteries. Looks like we got another battery in this guy. Let's get this out. A little third-party action. Let's go and pop this guy in here. Hi, Andy. Hi, girl. Hi. Nope. All right. I know. I made a mess. Hey, Andy, sit. Andy. That's a good girl. I know. Give me a minute. You'll be my test subject in the yard. Turn this guy. Is that battery? Ooh. Nice little full guy there. Oh. Oh. Would you look at that? Another little big gig item. What, am I boring you? Would you just look at this beautiful piece of camera equipment? It's a bit foreign to me. Predominantly shoot film. Whatever digital I did shoot was in a nice old Nikon D3. Seems to have been my most consecutive camera body over the years. I did for a period of time have the Nikon, what is that, D800, but sold that because I really wasn't too interested in a higher megapixel camera. I was more shooting skateboarding, so I wanted something that I could capture a lot of action with, and the D3 was always that camera for me. But recently, oh, wow, look at that. Recently, been toying with the idea of upgrading my camera. It's desperately been needed. Came across a pretty sweet deal, at least I felt, on eBay to get all this stuff. It's not so bad. Not so bad. What the heck is that? What is that? I'm gonna have to do a little bit of Googling and see all that. What's this? Magmod grip. Well, created a mess. It is a bit of a mess outside. It's nice and cold and overcast. But new camera means I get to play around a little bit. Let's see if I can figure out what a lot of this stuff is or what it does.